Alrighty then, product roadmap meeting coming up in an hour. I need some new features. So let's go to competitor number 1, and I'm gonna see what you launched lately. Oh, this looks snazzy. Yeah, I'm gonna take that feature. I'm gonna put that into our roadmap. Let's go competitor number 2. Ah, that's a great launch, great idea. Yes, I'm definitely gonna put that into our product. And let's go competitor number 3. I'm gonna, oh yeah, I like what you've done there. Yeah, I'm gonna put that one into our product too. Oh, hey boss. Hi, did not see you there. Sneaky, very sneaky. What am I doing? So I was just working on our product roadmap, actually. And I tell you what, as a PM, I am feeling very confident about Q4. It's looking great. What have I got planned for the roadmap? That's a great question. As a CEO, you should be asking me that. See, I've put in a lot of prep. I have investigated our competitors, and I've gotten the best features that they've launched recently, and I've put them into our roadmap. Yeah. I mean, I thought it was brilliant too. What? Sorry, what? You don't think that's brilliant? Okay. No, all right then. I'm happy, I'm open to hearing your ideas, of course. Yes, sorry, you said how do I think that's gonna work out? Well, personally, I think it's gonna work out great, because in my brain, I'm thinking, hey, they've done all the work, let them launch it, let our customers who they are on their platforms too, they're gonna use the features, we know what they built, then we're gonna put it into our product and then we'll be on feature parity, and we are to the moon. Have I seen the retention and activation numbers lately? No, I haven't. How are they, boss? Because I tell you what, I have been doing this feature parity stealing idea for like 12 months now, and I honestly think it's brilliant. Sorry, how are the numbers? Yes, you were saying they're good, they're not good. They're bad? Okay, yeah. Are they bad or just, or they're really bad? Okay. Sorry, what was that? I should pack up my things. Hey, okay. Didn't see that one coming, boss, did I? Gee, are you sure? Honestly, you look a bit hungry. Do you need a nap? No, you're serious. Okay. Can I keep the company phone? Okay, yeah, no. All right. Thanks, boss. If you're wondering what this video is and why it exists, my name is Paul Thompson. I'm on the growth team here at CommandBar. We wrote a blog post on feature parity, and I'm going to take you through the highlights of it now. After the video, you can go and read it. You see, when it comes to feature parity, most people think the process goes a little like this. There are users in the competitor's product who use the feature. Therefore, all users across the board expect to have that feature, even the users in our app. And so what do? Well, we go and build it. We look to our competitors, we follow the shiny object, we try and get on feature parity because we're making assumptions that just because they're using it in their product, they definitely believe and need to use that feature in our product too. But as you'll learn, that's just not the case. Instead, what you want to do is look at your competitor. Are the users using this feature or not? If they are, then the assumption might be, okay, there are probably some users who could use our feature or might appreciate using our feature. What you then do is you go and ask them, get some feedback, do some research, ask your user base if that's what they really want. And if it's a yes, I really want or need that, then sure, go build it. If it's a no, I don't really want that, I'm not really excited about that feature, then hit pause, bump it down the roadmap a little bit and put it in a to-do list later. But first, let's just talk about what feature parity means for a second, because there are many different variations of what we could be referring to. If we're talking about internal feature parity, what I'm specifically referring to here is the features that should be consistently named, designed, and executed across different platforms, across devices, across different operating systems, and after product updates. You really want a uniform, unanimous approach to all of your features across all different surfaces of your product. When it comes to external feature parity, what we're alluding to there is your users are comparing you against your competitor on what features you have in your product. If you have the same features, you are on par, right? You are experiencing feature parity. But if you want to stay ahead of the curve, you have to be one step ahead of your competitors. Going back to the example from the beginning of the clip, just stealing your competitors' ideas and trying to stuff them in your product is a terrible approach to reaching feature parity. There is absolutely no way for you to know if your users are even wanting that feature, that they're going to use it, that they're going to like it. It is a terrible idea. Do not do that. You shouldn't just ignore what your competitors are doing by any means, like keep tabs on them, but don't just go ripping their features thinking that you're going to put it into your product and you're going to scale and hit the moon. However, one of the drawbacks to doing research and getting feedback from your users is it takes a long time. The only way to get, feedback from them typically is to send out bulk surveys. You just survey after survey after survey, and there's a lot of fatigue there, and it gets really annoying for your users. And then thirdly is what you end up having is this bias of the people who really enjoy doing surveys, and it's called the survey effect. Only those people are going to be filling out the surveys, and you get kind of skewed results. But I want to offer you an alternative. See, CommandBar was built to capture user intent. And what I mean by that is we have features like Spotlight and Copilot where end users type in their questions and seek help and support through CommandBar in whatever app they're using. If they can't get the result that they need, if they can't get the help, if they can't get the answer, they reach what we call dead ends. Maybe they ask about a feature that doesn't exist, or maybe they ask about a feature that doesn't exist in your product, but does exist in your competitor's product. In the case of a lot of users asking for a feature like that, sounds like feature parity could be a good option for you. In addition to what features users care about, dead ends can also reveal what problems users are facing, how they describe those problems or features that they're using, or how they respond to the answers or tooling that you push them towards. So when you're looking at your competitors and checking out your feature parity, don't just rely on the traditional formats of seeking user feedback and getting all that research. There are other options. If you want to learn more about feature parity, head to commandbar.com/blog. This video was taken directly from this blog post, so you can go deeper, you can learn a lot more about feature parity and how we approach feature parity here at CommandBar, and I think you'll learn a lot. All right, till next time, team.